Hello everybody, my name is Alexander and I am from Bulgaria. I would like to take you with me on a short journey to a small piece of paradise called Krušuna Waterfalls, which is located in the heart of Bulgaria near my hometown Lovech. Our journey starts in Lovech, my sweet home. The city is a unique combination of everlasting tradition, incredibly beautiful nature, nice people, and long, impressive history. The Krušuna waterfalls are situated just 30 kilometers north of Lovech. But be careful, because on the way you may encounter some small lovely creatures. I told you, it's like paradise. Just lay down, relax and enjoy it. Try to feel the energy and the magic of this stunning place. And in the end, you will feel victorious, like king of the world. I hoped you like this journey, and if you think that 3 minutes are not enough, then come and visit the astonishing Krušuna waterfalls by yourself. Hello everybody, my name is Alexander and I am from Bulgaria. I would like to take you with me on a short journey to the...
Ай, нещо си...